Here is a short, clean and simple version of your script. Short script benefits of horses. Soft music, horse walking in a field. Narrator. Horses strong, gentle, and trusted by humans for centuries. Let's look at their biggest benefits. 1. Physical benefits. Person riding a horse. Narrator. Riding improves balance, core strength, and coordination. Even grooming gives you a natural workout. 2. Mental and emotional benefits. Rider petting a horse. Narrator. Horses calm the mind, reduce stress, and help us stay present. That's why they're often used in therapy. 3. Personal growth. Stable work, young rider learning. Narrator. Caring for a horse teaches patience, responsibility, and confidence. 4. Practical benefits. Horses on a farm or trail. Narrator. Horses support farming, tourism, and sports, helping communities and livelihoods. Closing. Sunset behind a horse. Narrator.